Enjoy off-road excursions in the future with the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Based on the popular Hummer EV, this mobile fortress is more than just an RV. Its sturdy, long-lasting external design includes large all-terrain tires, a chassis that can be adjusted for ground clearance, and a look reminiscent of the military. This beast's almost silent yet unstoppable power comes from its tri-motor electric engine, which produces over 1,000 horsepower and an incredible level of torque. This RV's electric powertrain is built to deliver exceptional off-road performance and environmentally friendly travel. You can extend your time off the grid without compromising comfort thanks to the huge battery pack and integrated solar panels. The Hummer Motorhome's cockpit is more like a futuristic command center than a conventional recreational vehicle. Large, high-resolution digital screens that are managed by a sophisticated artificial intelligence system take center stage on the dashboard. Every feature of the RV, including the driving modes, off-road technology, and amenities like climate control and lighting, is controlled via a single touchscreen. Important data, like range, battery life, and a live feed from the array of external cameras, are shown on the driver's display for convenient access. A simple design and high-quality, comfortable seats make every trip fun and focused. The inside is a brilliant fusion of high-end elegance and sturdy durability. The modular furniture in the large living room may be rearranged to accommodate eating, working, or simply unwinding. A combination of high-end, durable textiles and cutting-edge composites make up the materials. A panoramic sunroof and huge windows let in plenty of natural light, making the camper appear much larger than it actually is. AI-powered voice commands and smart home capabilities make it simple to manage your surroundings. The bedroom provides a peaceful and cozy haven when it's time to sleep. The focal point is a queen-sized Murphy bed that, when not in use, elegantly folds into the wall to free up additional living space throughout the day. The bed itself had lovely sheets and a great firmness. A simple button click may expose a concealed television, and ambient lighting can be changed to create the ideal peaceful atmosphere. For an RV, the bathroom is surprisingly roomy and contemporary. It has a smart toilet with built-in bidet facilities and a rainfall shower with a high-pressure water system. The materials are simple to clean and made to withstand the demands of travel, and the vanity and sink space is well lit and has enough of storage. The kitchen is a classic example of well-considered small space design. High-end, energy-efficient appliances including a refrigerator, microwave, and induction burner are included. Fold-away extensions make the most of the countertop area, and the cabinetry is cleverly designed with innovative storage options to safely retain all of your necessities, even while traversing rough ground. No matter where you travel, you will always have access to clean drinking water because of an integrated water filtration system.